beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my kitchen. It's me, Esther, and today I'm back again with yet another video. This one is one of my favorites. So today we are making pasta, creamy pasta with mushrooms and sausages. So stay tuned and let's get right into it. Cooking oil, and then we're gonna add our red onion. So this is one bulb of onion. At this point, we're gonna add our garlic. Now we're gonna add our mushrooms. We're gonna cover. Now we're gonna add our 6 sausages sliced like this. These are smoked sausages, not regular sausages. So now we have our plate here, and then I think this is ready. So we're gonna put it in our plate slowly. This is how everything is looking like at this point. Our mushroom is good, our smoked sausages are perfect. So we put back our pan, we drizzle it again with some oil, our butter so that it doesn't burn, and our 2 tablespoons of flour. And then we take our spoon and we just stir it. Good. We're gonna now put our milk. Like 1 cup first, then you stir it. You put in your 2nd cup. So I'm eyeballing it. So it depends with the thickness that you want. As you can see, this one was getting really thick, and we don't want it that thick. Make sure you don't put a lot of flour, because the more the flour, the thicker it gets. Now that we are at this point, we're gonna add our salt to taste. Not a lot, because our our smoked sausages have spices. We're gonna and some salt. So we're gonna add our black pepper. I like black pepper, so we're gonna go in with a little bit more. We're gonna go in with our mixed herbs. I like herbs. And some little bit of coriander. Not a must, so I'm going to put just a little bit. So if you want cheese, you can add at this point, but for me, I don't need cheese. I have it, but I don't use it on this recipe. So in short, for 2 tablespoons heaped, 2 heaped tablespoons of flour, I've used 1 packet of milk to make this sauce. I'm gonna add back my smoked sausages with the onions. And this is how they're looking like. It looks amazing. So here I have our macaroni. It's already boiled and I rinsed it off to remove the starch. So then we're gonna go in with our macaroni at this point. As you can see, it's very loose because I rinsed it very well. So it's a step that you don't want to miss. So let's reduce our heat, our fire. This is how it looks like. Very creamy. I'll switch that off. Yes. So here is the end product of the pasta, macaroni with the smoked sausages and mushrooms. Here's the mushroom, and the drink of choice is water. So you're welcome.